YouTube? It's Danny, and I have a very, very special unboxing today. Shout out to my dude Otter, who's also known as Taylor. Otter out of water, he's a YouTuber and he's a Twitch streamer. Anyway, he happened to have a, I don't know why I said like, he happened to have a brand new sealed in box Game Boy Advance from 2001. Now this is the Arctic color. I actually had the indigo color, which is the purpley blue color. My brother though had the white one, the Arctic one. And so we're gonna unbox that. And a copy of Drift 3R, also known as Driver 3. This is also sealed from Amazon. It was like 20 bucks. And I figured, hey, I needed something to test the system out with. So, it just goes to show you though, that we have come a long way. There's a Switch, there's the Advance, 2001, 2017, you know, is what it is. I don't play this nearly as much as I should. I just don't. I'm a PC gamer more than anything. So, we're gonna go ahead and open the Advance. So, let me get my knife, my golden knife, which is right here. Well, this was like $11 on Amazon, this knife. So I like it though, because it's gold, obviously, you know me and gold. So, there's something rattling around in the box, but yeah, there you go. There's the back of the box itself. There's the front. Again, brand new. It's been sealed since 2001. I don't know where Otter found it. I don't know if it was his originally or what, but we're gonna break the seal. All right, guys. I thought this would make an interesting video because you really don't find Game Boy Advance consoles sealed anymore, unless you have a friend that has one, like me. So, yeah, I'm pretty hyped to open this. I don't want to rip the box, so carefully open this up. Okay. And then just gonna pull. Sweet. So there's all the paperwork. The instruction guide, something to send off to Nintendo. Send it off to the side for now. Alright, here's the system itself. Brand new, like I said. Oof. Nice. So nice. Brand new. Still in the package. And on the other side are some those batteries are shot. I think I know what's rolling around in the packaging now. It's corroded batteries, is what it looks like. So, but there's the, dude, this is crazy. It's brand new. Brand new. Look at that. Beautiful. Brand new Game Boy Advance. That is crazy, and I have batteries. These take 2 AA's. Yeah, I got AA's. So, let me go ahead and, just out of curiosity, I really want to see those corroded batteries. Where did I put the knife? Over here. So I'm gonna carefully close this box. I'm saving the box, by the way. Absolutely. I'm gonna carefully, and you can tell, their corrosion has leaked on the outside, on this side of the box. Let me see if I can get it to focus. See that? We got little corrosion marks. So we're gonna carefully open this side of the box. That's crazy. I mean, it happens though. The batteries are, let's see, 2001. These batteries are what, 17 years old? Can I do math right? Yeah. So. Oh yeah, these are corroded. Definitely got corrosion. So, you can see right there, we've got some corroded max cell batteries. So, just gonna take that out and have a look. Canon, I love you, but oh, there you go. You're kind of, anyway, it's kind of, there we go. That's as good as we're gonna get, excuse me. But yeah, definitely corroded max cell batteries. But hey, it's from 2001, so what do you expect, right? I expect Canon's camera to focus a lot quicker than it does, but that's beside the point. So yeah, these are done. So I will be throwing those away. Keeping the box, obviously. I don't care if it's got corrosion on it. It just makes it that much cooler. So what I'm going to do now is I've got some non-corroded batteries. I'm going to go ahead and put them in there. So as I hit my hand against the desk. So we got two Rayovac, which is meh brand. I'm a snob like Duracell. That's just me. But we're going to go ahead and put these batteries in. And then the door goes on just like that. Nice and snug. I mean, it feels brand spanking new. Well, because it is. It just hasn't been, it's never been opened. So it's a brand new Game Boy Advance. So now what I want to do before I turn on the Game Boy Advance is I'm going to open up Driver 3, or Drift VR. Sorry, I said the wrong thing. Not really, but so this is supposedly new, I guess, from Amazon. It was here in 2 days, so it had Prime shipping on it. But I mean, it seems like it's new. Why wouldn't it be? I'm sure they have plenty of these copies of this game around. This game is not that great on Game Boy Advance, or really at all. I guess it was for its time. It was pretty good, but compared to today's games, yeah, garbage. All right, so plastics over there. Moment of truth, is this a brand new copy? Smells like ass, but anyway. There's a Driver 3 instruction manual for some reason. And Game Boy manual, probably telling you how to put the game in. And yeah, it's wrapped, it's brand new. It's a brand new copy of Driver 3. If the Canon will ever focus on the game, it probably won't. Take it out of the thing. Do that. Focus. There we go. Brand new copy of Driver 3. So, just gonna go ahead and insert the cartridge. And we're gonna power up the system. That's volume, so here is on and off. I really can't see that. That kind of made it worse, I guess. But it's definitely working. Developed by something. Man, everything's backlit. Backlit? Everything's backlit nowadays. But it's working. Definitely working. I can't see nothing though. How did I play this when I was a kid? Yeah. You can't see anything. I can barely see anything. I mean, how did we play with no backlit screens is beyond me, because it's weird. Alright, just a bunch of talking so far. Thank you again, Otter, for selling me this. So cool. It's in perfect, pristine, brand new condition. Can I skip this? I just want to race a game. I want to race car and game. Oh, here we go. No, I can't see. I can't see anything. How did we play like this? It's so weird. This game is horrible. This is how it gets, guys. Alright, so I'm walking, you can't see this. I can't even attempt. I guess I can kind of show you. Oh yeah, there you go. There's a little bit. So I'm walking around. All the buttons work just fine. Oh, there's a car. Look at all the reflection. I'm sorry, guys. It's really hard to play doing it this way. I don't know where I'm going. Just kind of going around. Yeah. Anyway, you get the point. So, definitely works. No problem. So, thank you again, Otter. Thank you so much, dude. This is beautiful. Look at that. You know? And it's the first time it's been opened. So, what am I gonna do with it? I don't know. It's obviously to collect. You know, that's what I do. I collect old systems and all kinds of stuff. I'm looking to get Ouya, by the way, soon. But, do I want to put this back in the box? I don't know. Yes and no, because it's new, I want to preserve it, but at the same time, I kind of want it on display, so I don't know. But anyway, that will do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm not gonna link this below because you can't buy these new. So, good luck. I would love to pick up the Pokemon edition, which I think they had for the Advance. I know they had for the SP. And I also want to pick up the Target exclusive Game Boy Advance eventually, so who knows. Anyway, that'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.